On today's menu, a delicious recipe that's nacho average cheese. Vegan Chipotle nacho cheese.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is super delicious, super easy, and the only thing left for you to do is to choose a movie.
Half cup cashews, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon onion powder, half cup water, drizzle of olive oil, quarter of a carrot.
That's basically the base for your cheese sauce, where we're going to add this amazing smoky dried chipotle pepper. Now we're just gonna add a little bit.
Splash of lemon juice. Blend on high.
Just pour in that amazing smoky cheese sauce. Just gonna add some thinly sliced, amazing jalapenos.
Chopped fresh tomato. Cilantro. You can now make this delicious nacho cheese with absolute confidence.
And within minutes, you'll be able to have your very own little movie theater at home. It's just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.